Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your store location on the Sam's Club app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you are shopping at Sam's, but then you move locations. So you want to go ahead and change your store location. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, click on the top drop down menu where it says your zip code, and then click on your local or current store location, Sam's Club. So here's where you can select your club. Once you enter your zip code, city, or state, it's going to auto populate the nearby Sam's Clubs that are closest to you. So you can check mark which one you want to go and select and then click on save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your store location on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.